Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, is a vibrant and charming city offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Located on Portugal's west coast, Lisbon is known for its stunning architecture, picturesque neighborhoods, and warm climate. For those planning to visit Lisbon or looking for inspiration for their next trip, viewing drone footage of this beautiful city gives a unique insight into its beauty from above. The city is known for its warm climate and scenic views, with the Tagus River flowing through its center. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront or enjoy panoramic views from one of Lisbon's many observation decks. Lisbon's tourist infrastructure is well developed and offers a wide range of hotels to suit all budgets and preferences. Whether you prefer luxury hotels or cozy hostels tucked away in historic districts like Alfama or Bairro Alto, there are plenty of options available to every traveler. Apart from its historical significance, Lisbon is also a thriving modern metropolis with a lively atmosphere. The city is known for its vibrant street art, trendy cafes and restaurants serving delicious local cuisine, and a bustling nightlife to suit all tastes. In conclusion, Lisbon is a must-visit city for travelers looking to immerse themselves in Portuguese culture, history, and cuisine. Its unique blend of old-world charm and modern attractions makes it an ideal destination for all types of travelers.